guys, how's it going? This is Dan with Adventure Today. Hope you're doing great. It's a little windy out today. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad for you, but I wanted to make another quick video on my Super Duty here and about these Coopers. You know, a couple weeks ago I made a video on my 20,000 mile review on these tires, and I've gotten quite a few comments back and actually emails on the outside white lettering. Now, I know that the trend today is the black look, the murdered look, I think they call it sometimes, but you know, with the black grille, like the new sport package on these Super Duties with the black wheels and the blacked out tires and everything. You know, I'm a little more traditional. I like my chrome, I like my bling, and I like my outside white letters. And so when I made that video, I didn't bother to spend any time to clean up these tires at all. I just came out one day and started recording and talking about them, and I haven't cleaned them over the past 2 weeks, and so they're pretty filthy. So I thought today I'd make a video on me showing you how I clean up these wheels and or clean up the tires, I should say, and how I clean up this white lettering. So if you can see this here, they're pretty nasty. You know, we got a bunch of black marks on here. I don't know if it's just road grime, really. It's not really tar, but it's just kind of road grime, and it's everywhere, you know, all over these tires. So we're really going to get these cleaned up, and the way I'm going to do that is simple. It only takes a couple minutes. I love to use this Black Magic Bleche-Whit. This stuff has been around for years. A lot of guys create their own concoctions. There's other chemicals out there and products that you can use. I love this stuff. It's simple, it's been around, you can find it anywhere, and it's super effective. As far as the brush goes that I just use a little sponge. This is just a little, you can buy these for, I don't know, 10 cents a piece at Walmart. They come in packages of like 25, 30, and it's just a simple dishwashing sponge. It's got a soft side over here, and then this is kind of the bristle side, but this is just, you know, nylon or, you know, really heavy duty sponge. This is, there's no, you know, a lot of times folks will use actual metal brushes, or they'll use like a nylon scratch pad or something like that. The sponge works great. So anyway, let's get to it here, and I'll show you exactly what I do to clean up these tires. So let's get the camera aimed up here. That's a pretty good angle. Okay, so I like to start off with hitting them with the bleach, and I'll let this sit on here for, you know, about 30 seconds or so. And as it's starting to work in, you know, it's starting to break up and loosen up some of the chemicals or whatever is marred the coloring on the lettering. So I'll just give this a little spray, let that work it in real good, kind of soak it, but it doesn't take a whole lot. And it's always a good idea to kind of spray the pad. Now, you know, like when I change my oil, you probably should be wearing some, you know, gloves. I think on the directions here, it says to wear eye protection, because there is actual bleach in here. So if you got a cut on your finger, it's probably going to hurt. If you get this stuff in your eyes, it's going to hurt. You got to wash it out, but just be really careful. So, all right. And so then when it comes to the tire, I mean, it doesn't take much. You just rub it, and you'll see here, as I go around the tire, this is going to lighten up pretty quickly. So what is that, about 15 seconds so far? Come around to my last one here. This was probably the area of the tire that was the worst. All right. I don't know, what is that, maybe 30 seconds total? That's it. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with the hose. And just like that, you're done. So, I mean, it doesn't take long at all. And my hands are all wet here. I'm gonna get the camera messed up. But look at the difference. It's pretty unbelievable, isn't it? So it is a drastic difference. Now I see a little spot right here. that probably didn't rub really good, so I could, you know, touch that up if you want to get really nitpicky on it. But that's it. It's that easy. It's that simple to do. This Bleche-Whit stuff is fantastic. I don't get paid to promote this stuff at all. It's just a product that I really like, so I thought I would share it with you. So anyway, if you like the outside white letters, or if you have never used this chemical before, this product, I promise you, try it, you'll like it. It's that easy, it's that simple. You don't need metal brushes or anything, just a simple scratch pad that you can buy at Walmart or the grocery store, and it will totally do the trick for you. So don't be afraid of getting outside white letters. I'm telling you, it is the way to go with these trucks. Although I do like the blacked out look. I've got my Expedition set up that way, but for my truck, I like the outside white letters. So anyway, thanks for being here, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, click that bell, and we will see you soon. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.